In today's video, I'll break down the catalysts driving Ethereum's rise, including the Federal Reserve's money printing, Trump's inauguration, Ethereum's seasonality, institutional DeFi growth, the impact of Ethereum ETFs, and my ETH price prediction for 2025. Ethereum is an institutional-driven asset. Unlike Bitcoin, it hasn't seen major retail hype, and crypto-native investors tend to look for higher multiple altcoins. But institutions need Ethereum. It's the only other asset besides Bitcoin that has an ETF pathway. When the right conditions align, institutions will flood into ETH. The Fed has been reducing its balance sheet, but the U.S. debt problem means they'll likely pivot and start injecting liquidity. Historically, when the Fed increased its balance sheet, Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin. A pivot is expected around March or May, which could be the spark for Ethereum to surge. Trump takes office on March 20th, and he has direct ties to Ethereum through NFT projects and DeFi platforms. His administration plans to replace SEC Chair Gary Gensler, potentially leading to more favorable DeFi regulations. This could unlock institutional confidence in Ethereum and DeFi applications. While ETH ETFs have had slow inflows, the trend shifted in November with increased institutional interest. Trump's presidency and a Fed pivot could further accelerate ETF demand, increasing ETH's price. Historically, Ethereum outperforms in the first half of the year, typically leading the altcoin market. With liquidity set to return and institutional interest growing, this trend could repeat in 2025. If Bitcoin reaches $200,000, Ethereum could outperform with a 4x, reaching $14,000 by the end of the year. In past cycles, Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin by 5x, making this a reasonable target given upcoming catalysts. With ETF inflows increasing, regulatory shifts, and a potential liquidity injection, Ethereum is set for a strong 2025. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe for more updates.